Watching the servicing videos, this is the Midland 77099 I managed to get from a charity shop via eBay, and it was £27.99. I said 20 quid in the repair video, it was £27.99. And it's not only come with its box, not all the packaging, but it's come with the electret mic, which I don't think we've had one come through before. And it seems to work alright. I've serviced it, it's doing 3.6 watts. It will do 4 for about 3 seconds. Entry model set, I saw these at £39.99 at the time, and they were out about 1998, something like that, I seem to recall. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy?
Tango 21, receiving you loud and clear.
Roger.
Right, I'm passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at the Ancaster service station.
Right, we're now going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the top of the hill. Let's go down in towards Wilson. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill, over.
Roger. Tango 21, we're now going down second corner Wilson. Over.
Roger, got you going around Scratchy Corner Wilsford. We're on the Midland 77099, and he's doing just under 4 watts, over.
Yep, Roger, all received. Right, we're now going over Wilson level crossing.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing. Roger, got you at the Kelby turn. Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn. Roger, got you going over the Rossby level crossing, also known as Greyleys level crossing, and that concludes the test. Thank you. Turn 10. Well, that worked alright. Sensitivity's there on it, and he's heard me with the just under 4 watts. So we'll see what it sounds like with that electret mic on our Harrier CBHQ base station. Tango 21, testing the Midland 77099 into our Harrier CBHQ base station, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And as ever, thanks for watching.